Looking for great alarm clocks? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best offers you should consider. And the best part? We did all the work for you. Just click this link below and get real-time prices and discounts on your favorite products. Number 1. Sometimes you just need something simple that's easy to use. RCA has you covered, with a streamlined alarm clock offering snooze. A simple interface, a large 1.4-inch display that's easy to see, and no recorded electric or battery backup that lets you rest easy too, by RCA. Number 2, the clock has been designed with absolute simplicity in mind, and you will have no problem whatsoever operating it. Easy for children, seniors and the elderly, by Travelwey. Number 3, the Sonic Bomb, aka the Bomb, is for anyone at any age who thinks they might not wake up in the morning. Turbocharged loud, vibrating alarm clock. Shakes you awake with powerful bed shaker and adjustable extra loud alarm. Built-in pulsating alert lights, by Sonic Alert. For more best-selling alarm clocks and online offers, just click the links below.